Well, it's 2022, finally getting round to making a new video. It's been too long, I apologise, but there's not been a lot of paddling going on in the winter. So we've picked a weekend, west coast of Scotland. Ardnamurchan, one of our favourite spots. It's easy to get to relatively and has the best variety of beaches, cliffs, launch points, pub for a quick weekend away. So weather tomorrow's looking pretty poor, to be honest. So we're just going to probably puttle around Loch Moidart, but I guess we'll see. But today is absolutely stunning. It's a whopping 16 degrees. And as you can see, the footage from around here is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, we'll go for a puttle around today and tomorrow, and hopefully make the most of it, and it should be a good weekend. So yeah, welcome back. Sorry for the delay. God, we're up to, I think, nearly 800 subscribers now, so if you want to click that subscribe button and hit like, that would help me get to the magic 1,000. Yeah, look forward to making some more content throughout the year with some more paddles. But until then, drop a comment below, let me know what sort of thing you want to see, and maybe we can go and do it. It's not quite as bad today as we'd anticipated, so it's breezy and it's raining, but it's nothing serious to stop you go out for a decent paddle. But today we're just going to have a puttle around Moidart region, go around Castle Chorum, which was looking pretty good from the air. Built in the 13th century. I was reading on a sign earlier, and apparently it burnt down about 500 years ago. But yeah, it looks pretty cool, certainly in this setting. So we're going to have a puttle around some of the islands in sort of the east of Moidart, and yeah, it's usually quite good when the tide is flowing through it. We can have a bit of fun, so let's go and have a look. So we launched down here, just at the car park near Castle Chorum, and we came up around the south side of this Risca island, and we're just messing around here in the island. So a couple of buddies messing around here. It's it'll be dried out up here. The ford dries out. There's actually a ford to cut across from the main road to Shona Island, but that'll be too dry, so normally you can circumnavigate Shona. But no, mess around here while the tide is low and the weather is rubbish, and yeah, might have a puttle back down to the channel down here as well later. So yeah, it's chucking it down, but we're having fun. He's hungry. Well, fairly short weekends paddling this time around, but back to some of our favourite places for a look around. Hopefully we'll get out and do some camping in the not too distant future. I think that's certainly really enjoy doing that, carrying all our kit, sorting out the food, a few drinks, maybe something a bit more adventurous. But until then, if you want to leave a comment about where we should go next time, or anywhere we've not been and you think we should go, that would be worth looking at, because sometimes you look at the books and sometimes start to run out of ideas. We're also limited by time, of course. We usually get away for 3 days. But yeah, any comments on that side of things would be really worthwhile. So until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll hopefully get those numbers boosted up and generate some more interesting content. Alright, cheers.